This is my attire for today. Traditional Bhutanese attire. Family friend, but we actually borrowed it. Thank you. How do I look? So we have come to Gelong Pelmol Hakang. So ये आपका क्या बोलते हैं उसको वो है टेम्पल है एक traditional Bhutanese attire. Gajimo, Guzangbola.
Welcome to Bhutan la. Guzangbo.
बच्चों का नहीं है.
So fun. It's so nice to carry it. Because any time.
Gelong Mapelmo.
Hey, guys, you might have to like.
Right there, right there.
गेलोंग पेलमो का मंदिर है ये. अब इसका हिस्ट्री किससे पूछना पड़ेगा. फर्स्ट न्यूंगनेल हागंग. फर्स्ट न्यूंगनेल हागंग. न्यूंगनेल meditation.
Meditation on fasting.
While fasting.
Actually, she was princess
ए
from Kashmir. She don't want to marry.
한국 비우고 말이야.
प्युगोरी नि.
म छांगसे गेगी मेला रे. मलाई दिल्ली रे खर्च नामालोंगा.
अच्छा.
She literally cried and cried.
She doesn't want to get married.
And I want to be a nun.
Mama comes in.
And she meditated here.
No. मलाई पुरा trouble रे.
Dum shingi yona dela. Awu du shingi yona. Amla shingi yona.
मलाई पुरा trouble छ रे.
Okay, so this is how it is. हो दिलाइरा.
मोगी में तो चेरिसी गोम्बार चेरिसी. मोगी चेरिसी गोम्बारे अनि मोला में तो दितांग रे खर्च मोन्यम तो आमागी आमागी जो गुला रे पालागी जो नामा टिकी ला रे अनि मोजे में तो दि छंगसे गेगी में I want to be a nun ला रे ता nun चिनी दुगी ani चिनी दुगी ला रे अनि इंजे मोला आमागी रोपची आमलागी सोसोगी you turquoise मोदी नंग चिने अनि actually she was princess no अनि मोला दियो रे खर्चा मोगा चाहिँ खाले रे त सेक्रेटरी लागोरा खाला गर्दा मोला तांगे
Meat.
जव चाहिँ के रे कि मेट न्याम द डोर खुन्छु नि ठुनी अनि खोजो द काले छु रे अनि काले छु लांगाला मोला छुन्छु चाहिँ मा चाहिँ थेम्बा रे मा छुन्छु दे थेम्बा रे कि मा छुन्छु दिगिम द होल बडी स्प्रेड छ रे मोला नजर खाइन चिक्ले रे त मोगी मेट गि चाहिँ याको त ताना पनि त छितुग्यो म त मोगी सुगे आत थुयो मरा अन्जेला दिगी एन्टेला रे गेलोङ पाल मोगी खेरन लोग्यो nga derang la nga I'm fine da ngegi chito kirang ge time dela waste machi you go back la mo dugi me nga kirang in the conditioner shining nga dugi me la re and mo de thabu chunchu chinala de re thabu chunchu chinala de gom gap and fasting chine she was before ta mo zema ning chuko yore ki after that ta mola yongo dila you just ta re and mo dor ning je dore Joni je ani ta gelong mapalmo herself meditated ani the fasting la dine khali cherisi gom ne khali she healed herself what dijela je ma di thagi do and dijela mo dijela jon mo ning jo bocha ni she again went back to her palace.
Oh.
Palace
Okay.
But
So she meditated here.
this is the first
This is the place.
no this
This is all her footprints. Over there, her leg prints, her footprints.
Yeah, she meditated.
Where?
The footprints you heard.
This.
Handprints and footprints. Oh, footprint de tu ke. What rich de. Oh, wow. Pagi da kinzo.
you da
Kachi gyo. Okay. Yeah, meditated.
this is a very small there used to be a very small cage the miss shongla ma shongla
Oh.
in the chunjula but
Now
still
they
she
built the
survived
Ni digire.
nyungne la chitre
Chitri Nyungnya
And that
is dedicated to her.
such
Dedicated re. Skiloma pelmo.
She's that girl.
She's that, yeah. Girl tamari princess.
JDC. That is JDC.
Side ma.
Our location.
Ang gelong mapel mo ko khai. Kubar ku sai na.
Palmo is up.
Where?
Up there.
Yes, kelong mapel malani. Kelong mapel kunda ne.
Which one?
Kunda ne sure the Chelsea.
Which one?
JDC. That is.
Which one? Eh.
Yellow palmo. Yeah.
Oh, she's gelong mapel.
She's the princess.
JDC.
Our location.
JDC. ओके आप सब लोग अच्छे से दर्शन कर सकते हैं बहु ओपन दो इट वाज ओपन ओनली शी इज द प्रिंसेस शी
This is that.
Gelongma Palmo. She, princess
Of what? Bhutan?
from Kashmir. She's from Kashmir.
She was in Bhutan, but she came to.
she flew from here till there
There in the Darfur. From there, then she went
home
Nirvana.
yes and look at the area so beautiful see this is Bhutan for you all guys and I feel so good in this attire Bhutanese attire so acha la yeah
No, where's the hole?
huh where's the this is so do that dila extra chick do the step thing man ni reduces
Oh, where's the hole?
There.
so sweet
I always give her to the children. She likes it.
ah so sweet
Go, Daddy.
she loves sweets she loves lollipop वो लॉलीपॉप बहुत पसंद है बोला उनको दिया ना छोटे बच्चों को देना करके बोल रही मैं एक खाऊंगी पहले Sweet. This having us tea. She's 80 plus. Ani mo mala?
88.
88.
Oh, look, yeah.
Yeah,
I always give her when I come home.
So 81. Mumla?
89.
She's
I need the boom boom show. She look at him, Chelsea. 60. 67.
50. Yan so. Tuji nang. Di kare to. No. Tibetan. Darjeeling.
They went to
It's very good. It's really good.
먼저 breakfast 하잖아. ठुक्पा बहुत ही बढ़िया है बहुत ही बढ़िया वेरी नाइस यम्मी इसमें आपका चीज है पनीर यो त बनाउनु पर्छ घरमा
It's very tasty.
डेटु रे डे रे आमला she made very nice 심덕 몸을 달라
Catch a hand. Yeah, would you come and catch a hand? I told me that she was Utu besh, Utu. Yeah, you don't. I'm going to breakfast. Breakfast. What's that? just get up and take for
We ate and came. Oh, Mala, bye. Oh, she's so. Bye bye. अब हम पहुंचे हैं भूटान किचुलहाकंग. किचु means happiness. So ये one of the pilgrimage है हमारा, है ना? So इधर हम लोग. This is the parking spot. Bhutan is very very clean guys. यहाँ ना आप अगर कुछ फेंकेंगे भी बाहर garbage तो 15,000 का फाइन है. You can't be outside. यहाँ पे 15,000 का फाइन है. So I think actually इंडिया में भी ऐसा हो तो कितना बढ़िया हो ना. Life would be much easier. And easier तो नहीं I think, but will be much cleaner. So let the rest of them come and we will go together. So ये है दोमा, पान का पत्ता, चूना और सुपारी. Very famous here and everyone likes to eat. Very famous here. It's like अरे वाह वो खैनी और वो स्मोक करते हैं ना, वैसे यहाँ पे you know they such an interval ये लोग यही खाते हैं. Okay, so सब लोग पहुँच चुके हैं. चलो, let's go. Kichulhagang, kuzangbola. Kuzangbola. Oh wow, look at this. It's like we are going into Tibet. A temple of Tibet. What do you think? Baby, no one is clicking me. So this is Kichulhagang, everyone. Welcome to Kichulhagang. Hagang means, Kichu means happy, Hagang means temple. This is temple of happiness. Oh, so beautiful. Come. Let me show you guys the beautiful Hagang. ये तो आपको कोई रिजॉर्ट जैसा लगेगा. कितना सुंदर है. By the way, see my traditional attire. Now I got a cameraman. Oh my God! Hello. You see this architect? Centuries old है ये सब. And they've still kept it intact. कितना अच्छा.
Yes, sun's back. I have to say from the back. Nick.
आप अगर देखें ना जगह पर आपको ऐसा मिलेगा. This is a dustbin, plastic, bottle and paper. You have to segregate and put it.
I'm a guide here in Bhutan, and if you want to visit Bhutan, then you can contact me.
What's your contact number?
I'm a cultural guide here.
Show me your ID.
I'm a cultural guide here. This temple is the 7th century temple. This was built by the great king Songtsen Gampo in 7th century. It's before Guru Rinpoche. And it is believed that this temple is built in one night. Along with this, there are around 108 temples in Tibet and in Himalayan region.
So this is the main Lhakang. Jo. So, जैसे आप लोगों ने सुना अभी ये ग्यापो सोंगजिंग गाम्बो हमारे तिब्बत के किंग उन्होंने एक दिन में बनाया था in one day. Sure. That is इस जगह की पवित्रता के कारण
Mama,
यहाँ
river
पे
daughter.
साल भर ऑरेंज आता है इधर.
Guys, let's go to river.
ये है आपका पारो का मार्केट, डे व्यू ऑफ पारो मार्केट. लास्ट टाइम आप लोगों को मैंने नाइट व्यू दिखाया था ना. दिस इज डे व्यू. एवरी बिल्डिंग इज वेरी ट्रेडिशनल. पहले ही का ना very beautiful, you know. They have kept it intact, and this shows, you know, how much the country values its culture. Really, yeah. It's something that we should learn from Bhutan. कितना सुंदर है, देखिए माने हर जगह पे every interval, you know, यहाँ पे एक माने होता है. So beautiful. I'm so impressed by Bhutan. Oh my god! Kanda ako tong ito. Come! Ketsu! Away! Ishila! So cute! Amba! Hey, you look like Buddhist only. You can hire the dresses and click photos. पहले स्टॉप है हमारा लंच एंड देन आई विल शो यू अराउंड जहाँ हम जाएंगे. सो अब हम लोग यहाँ आए हैं फॉर लंच. आज थोड़ा ठंडा है इधर, यू नो, इट्स कोल्ड. जम्बार लेक सो Yes, Jumba Lake. So यहाँ पे ना आप लोग ऑर्डर दे सकते हैं, आई थिंक ग्रुप का ना, ग्रुप का खाने का बल्क ऑर्डर टाइप. 아니 캬니 시스 보고는 또 캬게도 아니 정말 요 말라니 키메와 안데 아주 지소 온데나 봐네 다 팀부마. See, this is the kitchen, beautiful, and this is the sitting area. traditional. Oh, the king and the queen and the prince. The pictures. That's the ambience. यहाँ पे है heater, which is very good because the tea has come pink tea. Look at this, कितना सुंदर है. ऐसे में ना आपको मुरई भी देते हैं चाय के साथ. और ये देखिए heater. Oh my god, what a life. Okay, the food has arrived. Oh, looks yum yum yum. Very simple setting.
Mama, juice ko.
Yo my.
Kache ni. दूध पिला.
बहुत ही ट्रेडिशनल सेटिंग में है ये खाना खाने का जगह. Yeah. Thank you, sister. Sister हमारे लिए हीटर ऑन कर रही है. Finally arrived. It's red rice. And look at the spoon. और ये देखो तो plate.
Mama, juice.
Yeah, come now. Rice is coming. No.
No, I'm not.
이상하다 아닌데.
हाँ, butter tea है mama.
나 보내 리그를 말해 나.
Butter tea.
You also two butter tea.
ये तो मैंने good butter tea.
Milk tea.
हाँ बटर टी
I know milk tea. Not butter tea.
수자 넣어요.
No sweet tea.
Yeah, we want butter.
치즈 하래 내 치즈라.
We can learn so many things there.
Gonga and cheese.
This pack you
바로
that.
그게 아니라. 안돼 오늘 나 백바 왔는데. 백바 왔는데.
Mama, look at the
백도.
Chicken bun salad.
mama, the bowl.
Yeah, I'm giving you.
You know, mama, only go.
이러다 딱 봤어야 돼.
Okay, lunch is done. अब हम जा रहे हैं. He lied, no?
I put food for you.
Oi! Let's go. This is the place where we had a lunch. Yummy lunch. हम लोग आ चुके हैं दूसरी डेस्टिनेशन में. It's a Gomba.
부상 보라.
You can see the Buddha statue behind.
뭐다 시감 가서.
Now the guide will explain.
The temple don't make noise. Outside you can take photos, videos, anything.
This
But
is
inside-
constructed
inside-
by whom? This statue is made by whom? You know?
It's made by government.
Government of this Thimphu. Okay.
Government of Bhutan.
Bhutan.
What we call this place? Buddha Dorenmo.
What is?
Buddha Dorenmo.
Buddha Dorenmo.
Now we are in Buddha
Dorenmo.
constructed.
Choo. दिखा देता. Oh wow! Look at this, yeah. Such a vast area. बहुत ही सुंदर जगह है. Big area.
Largest and the biggest statue here in Bhutan.
Oh.
So this statue is 169 feet tall and length is 56 meters.
Oh.
And Buddha's right hand is in the Bhumispara Mudra, and his left hand he's holding the begging bowl. If you want to visit inside the temple, you can visit inside. I think we should go inside. It's very cold.
Yeah, it's very cold. Don't know. Dela ni thanga sto. Ta dela ra. Wang chen bo 전 상마 dela 차겠어. 고추서. 고친 사자 첨보다 왕다 이제 우다. 아주 बहुत ठंडे इधर आजू. Oh, so beautiful. See, oh my god, these are all fairies, huh?
Tell them to not make noise inside.
Don't make noise inside, eh? Oi, don't make noise inside, Lasta. Kunzo.
You can see that.
No photography. Okay. Okay, we're done with the tour of this temple as well. अंदर बिल्कुल भी photo allowed नहीं है. Oh, how are you guys feeling? ठंड. बहुत ठंड है ना इधर. Very cold.
When you want to come here, please wear 5-10 jackets.
हमको क्या लगा था कि थिम्पू is warmer than पारो करके ना, तो हम इन्होंने जैकेट नहीं लगाया था, मैंने भी नहीं लगाया इनको, मुझे लगा ठंड नहीं होगा बेचारे. Now they're suffering because of me. I'm sorry. और यहाँ पे है आपका दोर्दनमा रेस्टोरेंट एंड कैफे. यहाँ पे आपका कैफे है, the things you can buy इस तरह से है. जहाँ तहाँ आपको ना स्प्रिंग वाटर मिलेगा. एंड माइंड यू, हाँ, इट्स वेरी कोल्ड. ये ग्लेशियर का पानी है ना, बहुत ठंडा है. लुक एट दिस. या ब्लेस्ड कि हम लोग यहाँ तक आए, you know, on this new year, hoping for a very good year for everyone. बहुत कुछ है इधर. Anything you want to buy, it's available here.